Hello! Welcome back to my channel. I am about to have another glow up. Well, not really glow up, but I am gonna have a self-care day because I just feel like I have not been taking care of myself lately, at least not the way that I usually do. And you know what? I want to take care of myself because who's gonna take care of me except for me? Right, girls? Let's say affirmations. Let's say them together. We are independent. We can do whatever we want. We are smart, beautiful, and intelligent. All the positive things in the world. Anyways, being like hella serious, I feel like I've lost touch with myself. I just feel like I'm not connected to myself. Yeah, I'm definitely not connected to my mind right now. Girl, get your shit together. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so basically, I want to have a self-care day, you know, just to pamper myself, just to make myself feel better, because pampering myself, spoiling myself, taking care of myself makes me feel really good. So you know what? Tomorrow, I'm gonna have a self-care day. Now you may be wondering, why aren't you having a self-care day today? Let me tell you, girl, let me tell you. Because right now it is 1:18 a.m. in the morning and there's literally no salon open right now. There's literally no shop open right now. And I live in Europe. Everything closes by 8. So I have to wait till tomorrow. And the random boost of energy just came to me like right now. So I just took out my camera, no makeup on, nothing. I want to have a self-care day, and that's on period. And you know what? Having self-care days are so freaking important for your mental health. It's beneficial, it does you good, and it does no harm to anybody else. So you know what, girl? Right after watching this video, you're gonna have one too. You're gonna have a self-care day tomorrow, or today if you're watching this in the morning. So anyways, I have no idea what I'm gonna do for my self-care day tomorrow. One thing I know is I'm getting my eyelashes done tomorrow. I don't know, but my eyelashes just don't look okay right now. I'm not feeling it. So you know what? I'm gonna get my eyelashes done tomorrow. And what I'm gonna get done is 3D doll look 15mm. I haven't done that look in like so long. I don't remember the last time I actually did the doll look because I usually go for the fox eye, Kim K, or just the wet effect. So I'm gonna get that done and I'll show you guys tomorrow. Oh, also I'm gonna get my eyebrows done. I don't know if y'all could see it, but my eyebrows are just not having it. Like, it's so freaking messy. The brown girl in me is literally coming out. Like, I don't mind all the things about being a brown girl, but the unibrow, oh hell no. So basically I'm gonna get my eyelashes and eyebrows done tomorrow at the same place. Okay, for now I'm gonna go sleep because, you know, self-care. I gotta sleep early because my appointment is literally at 10 a.m. in the morning. I have no idea why I booked so early, but that was like the only place available. So you know what? I'm gonna sleep right now. Guess who's back home? I got my eyebrows and my eyelashes done. Honestly, I feel so freaking bougie. Every single time I get my eyebrows and eyelashes done, I just feel so confident. I feel so good about myself. And oh my god, you best believe I'm about to make 100 TikToks and not post them. But I'm gonna make them just to make myself feel better. I honestly believe that getting your eyebrows done literally changes the look of your face, changes the shape of your face, just changes your entire face. Like every single time I get my eyebrows done, I'm like, who the f was I before getting my eyebrows done? Like, I can't believe people actually look at me when I have my eyebrows all, you know, you understand. I apologize to anyone who has seen me in public or through YouTube without getting my eyebrows done. When my eyebrows are a big mess. Like, I apologize. I'm sorry. But anyways, right now they're a little dark, but I promise you it's gonna get better. It's gonna get a little lighter. Right now it's dark because like I got it done like an hour ago. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing I'm about to do is shave. Because you know, it's summer, it's time to get those booty cheeks out, breathing and living. But that's like one thing I hate about summer is that you constantly have to be shaved. You always have to shave. Like literally, brown girls, we have to shave like every single day. And oh my goodness, it's frustrating. And if you know me, you know I hate shaving, so I usually wax. But for the past couple of weeks, I have been shaving. Okay, so right now, I'm in the bathroom because I'm about to shave. But Here's one thing I do always before shaving, that is exfoliating. It helps you unclog your pores, you know, gets rid of the dead skin and blah 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 blah, which is awesome. I made my own DIY exfoliator. I don't know if you could see it, but it's literally just sugar and coconut oil and that's it. So let's go. I don't know if I could see my leg, but here's my leg. I know it's a little hairy, so just ignore. Okay, so now it's time to shave. Honestly, I just love how smooth my skin looks right now and just feels. Okay, so usually I use some cheap conditioner on my legs to shave because it just gives a much smoother shave and you know, it gets you really close to the edges. So yeah. Also, I am using a men's razor because men's razors are way better than women's razors. So yeah, I'm gonna shave right now. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna be doing is meditating because meditating relaxes my mind, calms my mind, brings me so much peace. And a lot of you guys after watching my videos ask me, how do I meditate? Like, what do I do? If you don't know what to do or how to meditate, all you have to do is go onto YouTube and all you have to do is literally type guided meditation. As you can see, you get a lot of options. And if you don't have the time, you could do like a 5-minute guided meditation or like a 10-minute guided meditation, 20 minutes, 1 hour. Like in the beginning of my spiritual journey, in the beginning of like getting into all of these things, I didn't know how to meditate either. So it's totally fine if you don't know or you feel confused or you just don't know what meditation is. You'll slowly understand as you go through. So just go onto YouTube and just type it and then you're done. The person who's narrating will tell you exactly what to do, how to breathe, what to think, and trust me, you'll get used to it. Now that I learned all of these things and I know what I'm doing, I could do just normal meditation without actually using a guided meditation, but there are few days that I still use guided meditations. You know, the days that I feel really confused, I just don't know what I'm doing, I use guided meditations to help me understand myself better and just to feel better. So anyways, let's get started with meditating. I'm just gonna use a manifestation frequency while I'm meditating, and for that all you have to do is type on YouTube meditation frequency and that's it. And then you get a lot of these options you could choose from, and I usually choose the one from Meditative Mind because they're really good. So yeah. Okay, now I'm just gonna journal a little bit, and if you have no idea what to journal about, you could head out to Pinterest. I'm giving y'all all the tips. Y'all have no excuses anymore. All you have to do is go onto Pinterest and type in journal prompts or journal ideas. Now, the one I'm gonna be doing today is for self-discovery, as you can see, and there are a bunch of questions like, how do I feel at the moment? What do I need more of in my life? What would make me really happy right now? What is going on right in my life? What am I grateful for? A list of 10 things. And there are like 30 questions. And trust me, after answering all of these questions, you just feel much better. You feel great and you just discover yourself more, you understand yourself more. And trust me, journal prompts, journal ideas have helped me a lot in the past, and I still use it because sometimes I just don't know what to write. I want to let out my feelings, but I just don't know what to write and I'm confused. So journal prompts it is. So I'm just gonna write all of these answers. So that's basically it for my mini self-care day. Today was actually a mini self-care day, not a big one. I really want to do like a huge self-care day, like the entire day just taking care of myself. But I just know I'm gonna be really tired, so when I do have the energy for a huge self-care day, I'ma do it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section down below what other videos you guys would love to see. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.